How's it going? It's Jaggy MC right here reporting live from North Bay, Ontario. And we're just about to hit the road to Sudbury for well, 6 days. We're going to hit the studio hard. And I'm actually not going to Sudbury, but for you cyber stalkers, that's where I'm going. But long story short, I got studio time already set up. The album is coming out May 22nd, 2020, and that album is called 2020 Vision, which kind of sucks because somebody knocked that off on something else, and we ain't gonna get into that. But I came up with that. That's cool. I'm sure a lot of other people are gonna say, I came up with that, but honestly, that was like my album before it was even 2020. It was 2020 Vision. So I have 119 songs laid out already. Plus, an old acquaintance, I won't call him a friend anymore, just sent me my old content. So I'm going to be releasing that on my YouTube channel for the next couple of weeks. I'll be releasing the odd song, whatever I'm flush with. And for everybody out there struggling, put a smile on your face and just say, you know what? Like, 2020 hasn't been the best year for a lot of people, but it's turning around for me, and it'll turn around for you. I'm just reporting live, and I'm reporting real. Like, I got no cuts. Like, literally, I'm recording on my selfie mic because my two new phones, the front camera won't even work. Brand new out of the box. I'm going to send it back to Apple. That's 11 XR or something like that. And the iPhone 8, I don't even know. I tried to use it yesterday. I tried to use both of them. And then went black screen. I'm rocking my 6S right now. So that's cool. But there will be a video on how to fix that black screen because I've watched every video and literally none of them worked. I tried it on both phones. None of it's worked. So hit me up. Smash subscribe if you want some more content. And if you want some videos on how to do it, how to do it yourself, I guess we'll call them do it yourself videos. I've got Beamers. I've got a Benz. I don't have a Bentley yet. But big things are coming. So I got ATVs, I got sleds, I've got, and a lot of people hit me up, I think, through the iPhone video. So we're going to do a couple more iPhone videos. And if you have any suggestions on any kind of content, I'm not going to swim in a pool with Fruit Loops and milk and all that shit. I'm not one of those guys. I'm a grassroots. I've been on YouTube for a while. I think I had like 2 subscribers, built myself up to 47. I think I got 162. Props to everybody that subscribed. Honestly, thank you so much. And for the haters, thank you too. I have subscribed to every haters channel on my YouTube. I've subscribed to all of them. I think. Most of them, at least most of them, just to give them, a little bit of whatever. They're haters. Honestly, I just did that video naturally. I didn't know it was going to hit 10,000 plus views a month. We're almost at 100,000 views. I haven't even checked it. I don't know. I check it when I get a comment. I always reply. Always reply. And thank you to all my subscribers, watchers, and viewers. Smash the subscribe button. Comment below with what you would like to see. Honestly, everything but me swimming in a pool. Want to see how to make $1,000 in a day? Comment. Want to see how to make 10 grand in a week? Comment. Hit me up. Subscribe. Like. And peace out, YouTube. I told you I'd give you a video a week, and this is your video for this week.